Hello everyone. Today in this video, I will let you know how to update Zoho Projects using Zoho Flow. Talking about the project overview, the requirement was to track project profitability on Zoho Projects using Zoho Flow. The client owns a business specializing in home improvement areas like installing solar energy system, roofing services, etc. The client wanted that once the project has been updated in the Zoho project, its profitability will be calculated automatically. And for that, we have used Zoho Flow. Before getting started with the project demo, let me give you a brief overview of Zoho Flow and Zoho Projects. Zoho Flow is one of the top-rated integration platform that helps you seamlessly connect cloud application and set workflow from automating the process of exchanging information among various apps. With Zoho Flow, you can integrate maximum of 400 business applications via intuitive drag and drop builder. Zoho Project is a cloud-based project management software that helps you plan your project, track work efficiently, and collaborate with your team from anywhere and anytime. With Zoho Projects, you can track progress of clients' project and life cycle right from generating leads to closing deals. Let's now begin with the demo. Firstly, I'm going to start with creating new projects. I'll add the project title and name it Project Sales. Next, I'll choose the start and the end date. Here we have created two different sections. One for expense that consists of 36 fields and other is for profit and loss. Here we have to fill the total budget. And here the profit and loss value will be calculated automatically. Now I'll save this project. By clicking on project, our project is created. Now I'll edit the project and fill the expense field along with our total budget. There are 26 fields in expense and I will fill all of them with any random amount. Now let's suppose our total budget is 50,000. Now I'll update my project. So since we have used Zoho Flow, here it will reflect the result after 3 to 4 minutes, which has a standard functionality. So I'll execute my flow manually here. As you can see, the flow has been completed successfully. Now I'm going to refresh my page once more and update it. Let's check whether the profit and loss value has been updated or not. Yes, as you can see, the value has been updated here. Here the positive value with a plus sign represents that we are in profit, and a negative value with the minus sign symbols means that we are at a loss. So that was our entire procedure we followed for fulfilling our client requirement. If you are looking for any technical and strategic guidance from the best Salesforce expert who can help you realize your business potential, then what are you waiting for? Just get in touch with the Cloud Analogy team of certified Salesforce expert. We ensure that the successful delivery of your every solution with end-to-end Salesforce consultancy service to help you achieve amazing business results. Contact Cloud Analogy to discuss your project needs and requirements. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe us now and keep visiting our channel for more updates.